Welcome to video 2. This is about the Easy Photo Editor. Note the icon is highlighted. Click on New. This brings up the editing screen. The first thing you see is a tabbed file. Under Image Details, you enter the image name. And under the File Saver tab, you have access to the File Saver program from within the image editing application. Here we have the values that you can alter. We have tuning, hue, color, rotate and flip, scale, perspective, round corners, we can round the corners, reflection, Polaroid, mail stamp, film strip, and drop shadow. So we'll demonstrate those in a moment. To load an image, right-click, select Load, and this will take you to your hard drive and you can select a file. Here's an image that I've selected. Notice how it's very big. So for scale, let's adjust the scale. There we go. Let's adjust it a little more. Now to round the corners, we use our round corners function. See, we can make it extreme or not so extreme. Under the Polaroid camera effect, note we can alter background colors, border colors, and foreground colors. We can even add text. And then click Create, and this gives us our image with a caption, and we can remove it. We can add drop shadow. Pardon me, I forgot to click Create. There we are, there's our shadow. We can change the angle and the opacity of the shadow, and we can remove it. We can alter reflection or add reflection. See? We can adjust the opacity of the reflection. Or we can have nothing. We have some effects, some film strip effects as such, and we can remove it. And a mail stamp effect. There we go. And we can remove it. And note before we go on here that you can adjust forecolors and border colors, even the border width. We can rotate and flip. There we go. We can also adjust perspective, left, right. That's the right, that's left, more extreme. We can also adjust the hue, or rather, the tuning function. See, background color, if we like to change that. Brightness. Contrast, the gamma value, and the opacity. Values for hue, for example. And some color functions. Note we can solarize the image. We have sepia effects. We can make it a photograph negative. We can make it a grayscale, appear as a grayscale. And we can convert to black and white, or unconvert all of these. Okay. Now let's say we want to save the image to the hard drive. We click Save. We go back to our folder. Note we can save it as a PNG, GIF, JPEG, or BMP. Pardon me. Now we have saved the image to our hard drive. Let's save it within the image editing application itself. I'm giving the image a name. Now we'll save and close to save this within the application. And here is our demo image. And that is the end of the Easy Photo video. Next we'll go on to Easy Word Processing, and coming up will be a video to show you how to save these within the file cabinet function itself.